Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Raj Legacy by Raj Realty located in Mira Road, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that will have 2 high-rise towers of ground plus 2 level of podium plus 35 residential floors that will have 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, this is a gated community with low density. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kanakya Road, Beverly Park, Mira Road, from where Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 10 minutes, Metro Station is only at a distance of 300 meters, and Mira Road Railway Station is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has one clubhouse, banquet hall, spa, meditation center, kids play area, and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 438 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 644 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 807 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Raj Legacy by Raj Realty located in Mira Road, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.